Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, we had a big impulsive move down yesterday. Definitely did kind of change things a little bit in my eyes. Now, the tariffs are supposed to be taking effect today. So it is definitely going to be affecting the CAD pairs in a big way. So be ready for anything. But to me, this still looks like an uptrend. I still think I had to stick to my original analysis, which is this is a 1. This is actually just an A. It's probably now in a wave B, and it's probably eventually going to make a wave C and then continue the uptrend. I think there's still a pretty good chance this is a wave 2. If we go all the way up to the daily time frame, I still think it would make the most sense for this to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, and I still think it would make the most sense for this to be a wave 2 and for this to be a wave 1. So if that's the case, that means that this push down is likely going to be an ABC correction, probably some sort of an Elliott wave ABC, Elliott wave correction that is. Maybe end up looking something like this, and then possibly continuing the uptrend. But like I said, today's a big day. The tariffs are supposed to be taking effect today, and honestly, the market could really do anything because of those tariffs. So be very cautious today. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.